Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Remember, today, 1st March 2023, was the day scheduled that Terra Classic will be burning about 10 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC today. Now, I'm happy that this burning is actually happening, and I'm happy that Terra Classic is going to burn more this year, because when actually you take a look at Terra Classic, the supply they have 5.9 trillion coins. I know it's not easy to burn out this number of coins. It's not easy, but gradually, because just like they say that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with what? A step. So people have actually been saying that the 1.2% tax bond was supposed to burn over 1 or 2 trillion coins in a year, that they believe in 2 years Terra Classic was supposed to burn out the 5.9 trillion coins. But since the introduction of the 1.2% tax bond, we all saw that it is not easy, because the tax bond itself have not really burned a lot. Okay, so for me, I remember that some people were even saying this tax bond is capable of burning 100 billion coins in a single day. Wow. Well, I know why people were actually giving that such prediction was because everyone believed that, not just Binance, that every crypto exchange that listed Terra Classic and those that will be listing Terra Classic will be burning. Okay, that was the mindset, that they will be burning. So now Binance, for example, have actually burned. Binance single-handedly alone have burned about 20 billion coins in 90 days. That is 3 months. In 90 days, Binance burned 20 billion coins in 90 days. Now, if Binance alone can burn such number of coins, now imagine where all the crypto exchanges start burning. That is to say, in 90 days, we might be recording almost 500 billion coins. Okay, so, or let's say 300 to 500 billion coins. So, and since then, that is not happening because not all of them are burning. It's Binance exchange are the major exchange that are burning LUNC coin. So, if today, this March, they are burning at least 10 billion, I think it's something worth to celebrate, because it's not easy to burn this number of coin. Now, when you think that, because this burning is actually between November February 27th. This burning is actually happening from November to February 27th burning. Now, it is not easy, because when I try to compare this with Shiba Inu is not really burning much. Sometimes you see Shiba Inu burning just 6 million coins in a day. You see Shiba Inu burning 10 million, 20 million coins. But look at Terra Classic burning 20 billion for one exchanger in 3 months. They are really, really trying. So I believe that let's keep hoping for more burning to come. Let's hope, especially I really believe this year 2023, I'm kind of asking different exchanges that have listed this one, because I believe some of them, I remember when some of them even said they will be supporting Terra Classic to stand back. They will support Terra Classic projects, and this is one of the projects to burn it. This is one of their projects. Help us burn out Terra Classic. We want to get back on track. And that is why the introduction of the 1.2% tax bond was introduced, so that this can help reduce Terra Classic coins. And yet, most of these exchanges are not even burning. Well, it is their choice. It is, I don't know, but we are hoping, not that we're asking, we are hoping if they can actually join the burning of Terra Classic. LUNC, to me, is one of the best coins. The vision is to get this coin to hit 1 cent. The vision is to help those that have actually lost a lot of money to recover. When this coin crashed, so many people were crying. You see, so many people lost a lot of money. A lot of money was lost. Okay, so if this coin can get back, And then if people can really recover some of their money they invested or even make profit, it is going to be amazing. So I'm hoping that the burning of Terra Classic will continue to increase. I'm hoping that this burning, next burning will actually increase. We want to record 50 billion, we want to record 100 billion burn. And let's hope that can pass. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.